If your dishwasher is not cleaning as effectively as it used to, it might be time to give its filter a thorough cleaning. As a technician, I can tell you that knowing how to clean dishwasher machine filter can make a significant difference in your dishwasher's performance and longevity. The filter traps food particles and prevents them from clogging the dishwasher's drain, but over time, it can get clogged itself. Let's go over a straightforward way to handle this task. First, make sure your dishwasher is completely turned off. Open the dishwasher and locate the filter, which is usually found at the bottom of the machine, near the spray arm. Most filters are either twist-off or lift-out types. If you're unsure, consult your user manual for instructions specific to your model. Once you've removed the filter, you'll see any trapped food particles or residue. Rinsing the filter under warm water is a good place to start. Run water through the mesh to loosen and rinse away smaller particles. If there's any stubborn debris stuck in the filter, use a soft brush like an old toothbrush to gently scrub away the buildup. Avoid using anything abrasive that could damage the filter. As you continue learning how to clean dishwasher machine filter, you might also want to inspect the surrounding filter area inside the dishwasher for any food bits that may have accumulated. Wipe down this area with a damp cloth, making sure there are no remnants left that could clog the filter or cause unpleasant odors. Regular maintenance like this can prevent more serious issues down the line. Once your filter is clean, reattach it securely in its original position. This is crucial. If the filter isn't properly seated, it may not function effectively, and you could risk damage to the dishwasher. Give it a gentle twist or push to make sure it's locked back into place. To keep your dishwasher running smoothly, it's a good idea to repeat this process monthly. Understanding how to clean dishwasher machine filter can help avoid issues with poor cleaning performance and drainage problems, saving you from costly repairs. Plus, a clean filter means cleaner dishes, as your dishwasher will be able to circulate water freely without obstruction. If you find that your dishwasher still isn't performing, well, even after cleaning the filter, it could be a sign of a more complex issue. In that case, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for assistance. A little regular maintenance can go a long way in keeping your machine in top shape. And now that you know how to clean dishwasher machine filter, you'll be able to keep it running smoothly for years to come.